दोस्तों स्वागत है आपका मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल। उसका नाम है ए बी अवेयर्ड बंदा। और यार बहुत समय बाद मैं ये वीडियो बना रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैं सोचा था कि मुझे कुछ ऐसा आइडिया मिल जाए सो दैट आई कैन गो फॉरवर्ड विद द प्लेटफॉर्म। एक नया आइडिया मुझे मिला जो कि एक पॉडकास्ट सीरीज़ होगी जो कि मैं चालू करने जा रहा हूँ अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पे। एक पॉडकास्ट सीरीज चालू करने जा रहा हूँ सक्सेसफुल लोगों के साथ जिन्होंने बहुत कुछ अचीव किया अपनी लाइफ में, जहाँ पर मैं बहुत सारे सक्सेसफुल लोगों का अपने प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू उनको आप सबके सामने लाऊंगा। बिकॉज यार आई बिलीव दैट इंडिया के हर एक कोने में टैलेंट है एंड दैट टैलेंट हैज़ नॉट बीन रिकॉग्नाइज्ड। सो दिस इज माई न्यू इनिशिएटिव एंड न्यू अटेम्प्ट सो दैट आई कैन ब्रिंग द स्टोरीज विच आर हिडन एंड हैज़ नॉट बीन रिकॉग्नाइज्ड येट। और आज एक ऐसे ही टैलेंटेड बंदे से सक्सेसफुल स्टोरीज आपको मिलाने जा रहा हूँ, हु इज़ मिस्टर अभिषेक शर्मा। एंड जिन्होंने अपने फोर्थ ईयर में ही प्राइवेट कॉलेज में होते हुए, ही वॉज फ्रॉम एल सिटी, जिन्होंने अपने फोर्थ ईयर में ही कैट एग्जामिनेशन क्रैक किया एंड ही वेंट टू आई अहमदाबाद। यस, यू हर्ड इट राइट, ही वेंट टू आई अहमदाबाद। और इस पॉडकास्ट में मैंने जानने की कोशिश की उनके माइंडसेट के बारे में, उनके स्टोरी के बारे में। तो चलिए सीधे चलते हैं इस पॉडकास्ट की तरफ और जानते हैं उनकी स्टोरी उनके पर्सपेक्टिव से। सो वेलकम अभिषेक भैया टू दिस पॉडकास्ट। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन टू यू फॉर गेटिंग इनटू आई अहमदाबाद। पहले आप अपने आप को डिफाइन कर दो 3-4 लाइन में कि हु इज़ अभिषेक शर्मा। हमारे व्यूअर्स को पता चल जाएगा आपके बारे में कि क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं आपके पर्सपेक्टिव में।
Okay, so पहले तो hi Rajshekar, it is pleasure talking to you. So now
थैंक यू।
talking about myself. So I am an average student with a kind of systematic approach of learning, and I'm an introvert. So you will not find me very active in parties, maybe. And I mean, yeah. So and in terms of work and in terms of my interests, I'm jack of all, master of I hope none. I think none.
सो अभिषेक भैया, कैन यू टेल आवर व्यूअर्स कि अभी आप प्रेजेंटली क्या कर रहे हैं, लाइक अभी क्या चीज़ें परस्यू कर रहे हैं आप?
Okay, so after completing my engineering from LNCT from electrical domain in 2020, I joined Indian Institute of Management Ahmedabad in 2020 itself. So this is my this is my second year which is going on. I've completed 1 year of management PGP one, and then in the meanwhile I interned with ICICI Bank, and I have done projects with several other small scale companies as well in the process. So this is it,
ओके
and just casually, sleeping, enjoying learning, and all of things. Yeah.
ओके सो ऑसम। कैन यू टेल कि व्हाट इज़ द फीलिंग राइट नाउ, हाउ आर यू फीलिंग? मतलब अभी आई एम अहमदाबाद पहुंच गए हैं, बहुत मेहनत करी एंड जितना भी आपने हार्डवर्क किया आई थिंक वो सब सामने है एंड यू गॉट द रैंक, यू आर इन द टॉप मैनेजमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट विच वी हैव इन इंडिया। हाउ आर यू फीलिंग राइट नाउ, कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
It gives a sense of entitlement, a sense
ओके।
of gratitude. You have something that many people dreamed and that you have. So that's a sense of
करेक्ट।
gratitude. I always carry that, and I always feel that I'm lucky, blessed, kind of thing. And other than that, in terms of feeling it, again, like second on the other side of the coin, it also you also feel every time that you are missing out on something, because you have a lot of resources, information, and you have to grab everything. You try to grab
करेक्ट।
everything. When you don't have
यस।
information or resources, that's okay, but if you have a lot of resources at one point of time, you always feel a sense of FOMO, fear of missing out. You can miss out on certain
या
things.
या
That's what it is.
ओके भैया, आई वांटेड टू आल्सो नो दैट कि जो ये कैट एग्ज़ाम है बेसिकली, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे बिगनर्स हैं, कुछ लोग सोच रहे हैं कि विल परस्यू। व्हाट इज़ दिस कैट एग्जामिनेशन इज़ ऑल अबाउट, लाइक आप थोड़ा सा इसको ब्रीफ में डिस्क्राइब करेंगे कैट एग्जामिनेशन को, व्हाट स्टेजेस इट हैज़ एंड ऑल दो स्टफ्स।
Okay, so CAT exam is just an entrance exam, which is for
ओके।
students who desire to make a career in management. And it is basically divided into three subsections. Quantitative aptitude, that's a basic maths from till 10th, or 10th up till 10th. Then there is reasoning, and then there is data interpretation, DI. Then there is
ओके।
logical reasoning, and then there is verbal, so English. That is a sort of not basic, but they are well, like, and they don't really specify exact format कितने घंटे का होगा,
ओके।
इतना ही पेपर होगा. So they try on changing every time, just to get an idea कि मतलब how you react, how students react when things don't occur as planned. So this is how CAT is. It's just in a simple term, I would say it's a common sense based paper.
Okay.
Common aptitude test is just a common sense based paper where they check more than a common sense of as to a student.
Okay, like it is basically they are checking your applied studies which you have done, I guess. Your or applicability, I
Precisely.
would say, like those things.
Yes, they check on applicability because when you look at the syllabus, you'll find that it's easy. But when you solve, then you'll realize you don't have enough time, or maybe a question that is so simple, and then it is taking too much of time, and that's why a question which you could have solved immediately, you just left it out
Yes,
because you were just busy solving this question. So these are
correct.
some nuances of CAT. So
सो अभिषेक भैया, लाइक जो भी मतलब एक ऐसा पर्सपेक्टिव रहता है कि कैट एग्जामिनेशन में लाइक 10th 12th के मार्क्स या फिर कॉलेज के मार्क्स कुछ मैटर करते हैं, कुछ एग्रीगेट रहता है, तो वो कितने मैटर करते हैं? क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोगों को कन्फ्यूजन होता है कि 10th में बहुत जो लोग मतलब बहुत हाई परसेंटेज आने चाहिए या फिर 12th में तो बहुत ज़्यादा बूस्टअप मिलता है, तो आपका क्या पर्सपेक्टिव है, कैसे कैसी चीज़ें वर्कआउट करती हैं?
So look, I would say marks definitely matter. It matters better, बहुत ज़्यादा matter करता है. But then there are colleges जो कि मतलब there are different top colleges जो कि कुछ लोग marks कम consider करते हैं, कुछ ज़्यादा consider करते हैं. So it is always better to have above average marks in 10th 12th. But if you don't have, then there's no issue. So that's a component, right? So if let's say a college takes a 10% component of your marks, so you have, let's say, remaining 80 90%, or let's say 70 60% of CAT weightage. So in 60% you can add. So marks definitely matter, but that's a support. What you can do is you can average it out through CAT paper.
लाइक 5 to 10% ऐसा कह सकते हैं कि इतना मैटर करता है कि उससे भी
अलग
ज़्यादा?
अलग 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 कॉलेजेस अलग अलग डिमांड करती है. सो
ओके.
अलग सबके अलग अलग फ्रेमवर्क्स हैं. सो फॉर एग्जांपल इट्स वेरी प्रीटी कॉमन दैट इंदौर, आई एम बैंगलोर, दे प्रेफर 10 12 का मार्क्स बहुत ज्यादा. देन आई एम अहमदाबाद आल्सो प्रेफर्स मार्क्स. आई एम कलकत्ता डजंट प्रेफर्स मच. सो इट्स ये अलग अलग है, कॉलेज बाय कॉलेज डिपेंड करता है.
सो ब्रॉडली अगर आप बताएं तो कितना होगा फिर भी? अगर ब्रॉडली अगर देखें पूरे जो रिजल्ट आता है बेसिकली कैट का, तो उसमें हम क्या कह सकते हैं कि उतने में कितना परसेंट बेसिकली लाइक आई एम अहमदाबाद क्या कंसिडर करता है?
20% I would say, 20% of
ओके, ओके.
yeah, 20 10 10 20 20 may you have combined everything, like 20 nahi, 30 I would say, combined everything, 10th 12th and graduation. Or baki
ओके.
profile always matters, so you should have a diverse profile that will add value.
सो जैसे मैं एक और क्वेश्चन लाऊंगा, जैसे आपने बोला प्रोफाइल, तो किस किस फील्ड में अ पर्सन शुड प्रिपेयर, लाइक अभी जो 12th में है, सो उनको किस किस चीज़ों में वर्कआउट करना पड़ेगा सो दैट दे कैन गेट अ गुड प्रोफाइल इन फ्रंट ऑफ द इंटरव्यूअर्स बेसिकली?
Okay, so in terms of profile, I would say do whatever you like, but just do it. For example, you're working with an NGO. Okay, so work with it with your heart. Okay, even if you're in 12, that doesn't matter. I mean, you are working with an NGO, you're getting a
यस.
perspective. If you can get an internship or मतलब किसी स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्री, स्मॉल स्केल ऑफिस के अंदर, या इवन लार्ज स्केल ऑफिस, आई मीन इफ यू गेट इट, व्हाट
यस,
बेटर
यस.
देन दैट. सो एक्सपीरियंस मैटर्स. सो आप ये कर सकते हो. एंड देयर आर पीपल हु आर outstandingly well in like sports. So you have played sports in national level,
यस.
state level, national level, international level. That matters. इस टाइप से प्रोफाइल
ओके.
बिल्ड करते हैं अलग अलग. मतलब दे प्रेफर कि इफ यू हैव इंटरेस्ट इन समथिंग, so have you done something in it, or it's just a casual interest like watching Netflix and then
ओह,
you see
या.
that this person does this, I should also try this. This is not.
यस, यस, यस. लाइक इमिटेट नहीं करना है कुछ चीज़ों को, बट आपका जो रियल में इंटरेस्ट है उसके पास जो आपने जो जो चीज़ें करी हैं उस पर वर्कआउट करना है आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. एंड यू शुड हैव अ डाइवर्स एक फील्ड होना चाहिए आपके पास वेयर योर बेसिकली योर रिज्यूमे और सीवी वुड लुक गुड, आई थिंक.
Yeah, you should show your passion in whatever you have done, so that
ओके,
adds value.
ओके, ओके, ओके। सो अभिषेक भैया, लाइक जो आपके प्रिपरेशन सोर्स थे वो क्या क्या थे बेसिकली, लाइक अबाउट आपने कोई कोचिंग गाइडेंस प्रोग्राम लिया एंड योर सोर्सेज, बिकॉज जो एक ब्रॉडली लोगों को पता चल जाए कि इफ़ दे वांट टू स्टार्ट तो वो कैसे चीज़ों को प्रोग्रेस करें या फिर कैसे चीज़ों को प्रोसेस करें आगे जाके।
I always thank Google and YouTube. First
ओके,
of all,
या,
I mean my thankful process starts from Google and YouTube. It's a vast source of information. But other than that, let's talk about thoda systematic wala part. So apart from YouTube, when you get crux of thoda knowledge from everywhere and you gather it to make a useful insight, uh,
यस,
I joined I joined IMS coaching, IMS Bhopal. So
ओके, ओके,
yeah, to get structured material, and I just followed it quite well. So that was, I didn't used any additional books. In terms of knowledge and general awareness, I'm very active reader of newspapers or media. आजकल तो YouTube है, तो you can get. I'm regular subscriber of your Study IQ. There's a channel. I mean,
या
people
देयर
might
इज,
know.
इट्स प्रोवाइडिंग लॉट ऑफ क्वालिटी कंटेंट आई गेस।
Yeah, I like
या,
watching those content. So that's how
so
you
do
build a
you,
perspective.
yeah, okay, thank you भैया। So do you believe that reading newspaper is necessary for cracking this examination?
In my opinion, newspaper is absolutely compulsory if you're going to
Okay,
crack any exam. I mean,
so basically आप मतलब like specifically if we talk about, तो English newspaper would be good I guess, because आजकल the English language has immense potential and importance in any sphere I would say, कहीं भी हो अगर आप देखें तो English को बहुत weightage मिलने लगा है अब। It can be
exactly.
fortunately or unfortunately कह सकते हैं, इंडिया में भी as well Hindi is like going down and people are preferring more the English language. So
Hmm.
what is your perspective? So मतलब reading English newspaper is a must?
English newspapers are two purpose. पहले तो मतलब I would say media biasness के terms में, I mean, you will find pretty much good contents in editorial sections in English newspapers, like Indian Express and all. And
Okay.
second, you can have a strong hold of that language when you're reading English newspaper, and definitely you'll have a clear idea of what is going on. So three benefits you can get from reading a paper, let's
Okay.
say an
Okay.
hour or like 45 minutes. I used to read it because if you're preparing for something, you should read it longer. And if you're not preparing just for knowledge, then you can, carry out in half an hour or like, let's say 10 minutes, 10-20 minutes. But I used to read it for an hour. So that's
Okay. So like I also believe Bhaiya, reading newspaper give you lot of insights, valuable insights, lot of valuable perspectives I would say to any topic. It's correct that the media has been printed with a lot of biasness. That is true, but I would say that still there are some information which are unbiased, which has the importance, which has the potential, so that we can improve our communication skills as well as our writing skills, और जो पेपर होता है like इंग्लिश कॉम्प्रहेंशन वगैरह का, सो देयर ऑल्सो इट कैन हेल्प आई गेस।
exactly. Agreed
या,
completely.
अब और लाइक आपकी थोड़ा जर्नी की तरफ आते हैं कि हाउ डिड यू मेड योर माइंड फॉर एमबीए, आपने अपना माइंडसेट कैसे क्रिएट किया कि मुझे बस यही करना है, मुझे एमबीए में जाना है एंड आई वांट टू अचीव दिस।
Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, so my interest is learning new, jack of all, master of none. As of now, I am. So that means by inherently, I mean by my intuitive nature, I love doing everything. Now here is a problem. So when you do everything, you don't really want to miss out on anything. And when you don't really miss out on anything, as part of formal education, when as you go upwards, you have to reject something.
यस,
You have to select one stream and then you go ahead with it so that you can achieve some sense of speciality to it. Yeah.
यस, यस,
MBA was this process. I learned the process of rejection. I mean, I had to reject something. Then I realized, technical is not something my stuff because IIT JEE में मैं बैठा था. I prepared for IIT JEE and then I was not very good at it in my engineering days as well. I mean, I used to read it, but मुझे नींद आता था. So what happened is I made it clear that technical side is not something that I might not be interested in it. Okay, so I preferred that I should leave. Now being in a college, LNCT, in general people what they do, either they go for placements, जो कि mostly CSIT companies are,
Correct.
mostly क्या all of them
Correct.
CSIT companies आती हैं. Other than that, what you have is you can go for GATE exam. Then you can go for CAT exam, or maybe then if you can go for MS or PhD in outside foreign universities. So these were broadly options, GRE. So now rejected one by one. So up now placement rejection is not really an option because you are in an engineering college.
Yes.
Family expects you to get placed.
Correct.
Right? So engineering placement rejection is not an option. So that was just I made that second choice. Now GATE was again a very technical stuff. You'll go into research and development. You should have a knack for research.
Okay.
और for the technical subject expertise. अब वहाँ मुझे वो था नहीं, and with time GATE was losing its luster at that point of time. I mean, when I was in third year, there were some laws, and GATE was just PSUs were being privatized, and it just made no sense, Then I preferred CAT because पहले से मुझे managerial administration में मुझे interest तो था ही. Apart from that, I realized that I can leverage my communication skills for a better use, a better unit. I can leverage my MBA skills. So that's why I chose CAT, and then I realized courses are something that I can do. I mean, verbal, DI, LR. I mean, if I'll practice, I can do that. Right?
Yeah.
So these are the basic thinking
Okay.
why I selected CAT.
Okay. So, do you feel that plan B is important for preparing any tough examination?
And if you'll ask my opinion, definitely. I mean, plan B is very, very important.
Okay.
Because after all, an exam, you prepare for an exam for, let's say, if there's a tough exam, you prepare for 1 year, let's say 6 months or more.
Correct.
And then for 3 hours, there is an exam. And if something happens in that 3 hour, your one year of hard work, I mean, you are anyways doing your work, and time is very precious. I mean, we charge clients for our time, right?
Correct.
So time is very precious. I mean, you can lose time. So that's why plan B is very, very important. Yeah.
तो किसी भी टफ एग्जामिनेशन को प्रिपेयर करने में यू गेट अ सेल्फ डाउट. एक सेल्फ डाउट आता है कि विल आई एबल टू मेक इट और नॉट, क्या मैं कर पाऊंगा कि नहीं कर पाऊंगा, because as you said, as you mentioned, it's a long process. Like it can take 6 months, 8 months, and 10 months, and 1 year as well. So what do you think कि ये सेल्फ डाउट आता है, तो हाउ टू ओवरकम दिस सेल्फ डाउट, एंड क्या आपको कभी सेल्फ डाउट आया कि नहीं आपकी प्रिपरेशन के टाइम?
So first question first, self doubt मुझे आया कि नहीं? So yes, I mean, being human, everyone, I feel that everyone has some level of self doubt. I also had one. I also have one. I would not say मैं पूरा overcome कर लिया. So self doubt आता है. I mean, after all, you are preparing and you know that what you are losing on, right?
Correct.
If you have slept for, let's say, if you're not studying hard, then maybe other people might not know that you're not studying hard, but you know in your own heart that this is the time that you missed on. So that's the point where if you can see your lack of hard work, then you will already have a self-doubt. First of all, self-doubt arises when there is an insecurity. So I had a second option.
Okay.
I made a second option and I worked for it very hard. Placements के लिए I worked very hard. So that was वो उसको reduce कर देता है, because you already have a second option, then you have a courage to go to any levels because you have that backup available. Another self doubt के लिए I used to think, I mean, this is just 1 year of work, and then after that life will be at different level. I mean, you know.
Yeah.
So तो ऐसा मैं सोचता था, and that's why I worked hard. And when you work hard and you know that you are working hard, and
Correct.
you compare it with others, and then you realize that, you know,
Yeah.
I'm working hard, so I have confidence, कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा,
कुछ ना
and
कुछ
it
तो
will be better.
करेक्ट करेक्ट वाह ऑसम भैया एक और चीज़ मैं पूछना चाहूँगा क्योंकि आप कॉलेज के साथ आपने प्रिपेयर किया एंड इन फोर्थ ईयर यू हैव क्रैक दिस एग्जामिनेशन आई गेस एंड फिर आपका प्रोसेस चला एंड देन यू वेंट इनटू आईआईएम अहमदाबाद तो कॉलेज के साथ कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा क्योंकि बहुत हेक्टिक शेड्यूल होता है कॉलेज भी जाना है एंड देन प्रिपेयर भी करना है तो हाउ डिड यू मैनेज योर प्रिपरेशंस विद कॉलेज
Honestly speaking, that was very hectic. Yeah, I mean, very stressful.
यस
You didn't had any time left. So right from morning in coaching, then right in college, because 75% attendance is mandatory.
या
75% मतलब almost you have to go every day.
करेक्ट और एलएनसीटी में तो ऐसा है ही कि अटेंडेंस अटेंडेंस थोड़ा ज़्यादा रहता है थैंक गॉड के भी ऑनलाइन हो गया सब तो थोड़ा
Exactly. Or college is like senior school. So you have to remain in your class, and you know, you have to study.
या
Teacher आ रहे हैं, पढ़ा रहे हैं, and you cannot go outside
करेक्ट
or
करेक्ट
something like that. So what I did in between college was, मेरे को जब भी time मिलता था थोड़ा बहुत भी, so there are time when, you know, you chit chat with friends. I don't used to do that.
ओके
In general, I used to open my book, and होता है कभी, मतलब you don't like to study, but then again, you just I used to do that. मैं कोशिश करता था कि सारे होमवर्क्स जो है मैं कॉलेज के अंदर अंदर ही बना लूं, ताकि रात में जब मुझे टाइम मिले तो आई कुड स्टडी फॉर
ओके
नेक्स्ट डे, और विल प्रैक्टिस समथिंग मोर. सो दिस वाज हाउ इट वेंट. आई मीन, प्लेसमेंट्स में थोड़ा सा इशू था, बट इट वाज फाइन.
ओके सो लाइक कॉलेज में आपको व्हाट डू यू फील लाइक कॉलेज में जो आप थे तो बहुत सारी स्किल्स वी यूज टू टेक इट फ्रॉम कॉलेज एज वेल बहुत सारी इवॉल्व होती हैं स्किल्स बेसिकली हम कॉलेज में रहते हैं सो डू यू फील कि जो स्किल्स आपने कुछ कॉलेज में डेवलप की हैं या नहीं भी की हैं एंड दैट हैव हेल्प्ड यू और अभी आपको हेल्प कर भी रही हैं बेसिकली इन प्रेजेंट टाइम
LNCT में एक स्किल था जो बहुत, मतलब आई डेवलप्ड वेरी स्ट्रांगली. आई मीन, द कॉलेज स्टार्ट्स एट 9 and it ends at 5, right? So rigorous sitting at one place, you know, for
Yeah.
so many long hours. It
Yeah.
is definitely a skill that you'd need.
Correct,
And
obviously.
LNCT gave it to me. And other than that, I mean, when teacher is teaching something, and if you don't like it, you're reading at your own. I mean, this is not prescribed,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
I used to do that.
Okay.
So that is also a skill. That is also a skill. And then one more skill. When you like to socialize, but you can't because you
Okay.
have something else to do. Yeah. So that is also, I believe, a skill, because it gives an emotional trauma to
Correct,
you
correct.
when you like, मतलब दोस्त लोग कर रहे हैं मजे, you can also join it, but you don't want, you cannot, because you have something else to do. That kind of gives you away. आप अलग हो जाते हो उनसे कुछ टाइम के लिए, फिर लोग थोड़ा सा, you, there's a distance, and
Correct.
you don't like it, but still you have to do. So LNCT में मुझे ये सब मैंने सीखा कि how to, you know, overcome these things and
Okay.
go ahead.
No, but you have given a different perspective and ऐसा मैंने भी कभी नहीं सोचा था लाइक आपने जो चीज़ें बताई दैट बिकॉज पीपल यूज टू टेक इट इन अ नेगेटिव सेंस कि अरे यार 9 से 5 बैठना है क्या करेंगे ये वो लाइक बट हैव गिवन अ वैल्यूएबल इनसाइट दैट इज करेक्ट अब ऑनलाइन हो गया है तो पीपल आर नॉट अटेंडिंग एंड गोइंग सो आई थिंक दे विल लैक दिस स्किल बट दे हैव गॉट अनदर अपॉर्चुनिटी कि वो अपना एडिशनल टाइम निकाल सके सो आई थिंक यू हैव गिवन अ लॉट ऑफ वैल्यूएबल इनसाइट्स टू आवर व्यूअर्स एंड लाइक भैया कि मैं ये भी बोलूँगा कि बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जर्नी में बिकॉज दे से कि आपसे नहीं हो पाएगा लाइक यू विल नॉट एबल टू मेक इट ऐसे भी कुछ लोग आते हैं वी डोंट यूज टू लाइक बेसिकली हम ऐसा बोलते नहीं डायरेक्टली कि ऐसे लोग थे या ऐसे लोग थे बट देयर आर सम पीपल हु डाउट ऑन अस एंड विच इज़ नेचुरल और जो हमें पुल डाउन करते हैं बेसिकली सो ऐसे लोग का क्या आपने मतलब कभी आपसे फेस हुआ आपका ऐसा कभी ऐसे लोगों से एंड इफ हुआ तो देन हाउ डिड यू ओवरकम दिस ऑल दोस स्टफ्स
There's an incident. I mean,
Okay, please.
जब मैं second year में था, I was engaged in marketing,
Mm-hmm.
internship वाला marketing, that sale activity.
Yeah.
So there was one person I interacted to.
Hmm.
You know, at that point of time, I had realized कि मतलब cat type का चीज मुझसे हो पाएगा.
Hmm.
So generally out of conversation, you know, I
Okay.
just said it. I mean, कि मैं भी थर्ड ईयर फोर्थ ईयर से प्रिपेयर करूंगा और IIM अहमदाबाद के लिए मैं प्रिपेयर करूंगा.
Hmm.
ठीक है. And maybe, you know, who knows, maybe I can get into it. So that person, his exact wordings, well, इतना आसान थोड़े तुम लोगों से नहीं हो पाएगा. So
Yeah.
this is what he said.
Hmm.
And it was like, okay, कोई बात नहीं. I mean, uh, ऐसी इंसिडेंट्स बहुत रेयर होती है मेरे साथ. I mean,
Okay.
I talk very formally, I mean, with
Hmm.
people, so they generally don't criticize me in my front,
Hmm.
but at my front, I mean, people don't criticize me. So that was very first incident.
Hmm.
So I wrote that down. I mean, you know, I
Okay.
wrote that down.
Yeah.
मेरे
Yeah.
को वो लगा कि मतलब कैसे नहीं हो पाएगा.
Hmm.
So, and you know, when I अभी भी he is my friend. So
Hmm.
he is my friend. So I hadn't said anything, but yeah. So it happens, and when I got into it, and then you know I posted it.
Hmm.
I cracked this thing, and I'm going to join this. Then they say thank you. I mean, you don't really have to say anything. They just know it.
Because
They just
results
feel
are,
it. You know.
I think results जब आते हैं तो people get to know कि जो हम सोच रहे थे that was wrong.
हाँ.
The person is working hard and has done it. So मुझे तो ये लगता है कि thanks to those naysayers जो कहते हैं कि नहीं हो पाएगा, क्योंकि because they gives the real strength कि नहीं भाई इसके लिए तो करना ही है, इसको तो करके दिखाना है बस.
एग्जैक्टली exactly. और कुछ ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं मतलब जो फ्रेंड्स में भी थे मतलब who they don't say anything but you kind of sense it, you
हाँ,
know, that person is making you feel that you know
correct.
ये सब तुमसे नहीं हो पाएगा.
हम्म.
एंड मतलब एक तरीके से मैं बोलूँ तो गलत भी नहीं था बिकॉज
हाँ,
एलएनसीटी से IIM अहमदाबाद में फ्रॉम राइट सिंस
correct.
1994 there is not a single person
No,
who entered into IIM Ahmedabad. So I mean, they were
always.
thinking within their boundaries, and that's perfectly fine. So
हम्म.
I mean,
Yeah, correct. And that is my next question. Like आपने जैसे बोला कि since 1994 एक आप ही ऐसे बंदे हैं who have got into IIM अहमदाबाद. So what do you think, कैसी जर्नी रही LNCT से IIM अहमदाबाद तक?
so from what पहले थोड़ा सा rectify कर देता हूँ मैं मतलब I have not seen it in any official sources. So I think कि वहाँ पे ऐसा कोई है नहीं because I have not met any of them. So हो सकता है कभी मैं गलत हूँ एक दो लोग हों. So I don't know. But in general, कैसा रहा? So experience is pretty much different. So there are different set of people. In LNCT, there are completely different set of people, and then in Ahmedabad, there are completely different set of people. And journey is quite challenging to me because you know
Okay.
when you have such a I mean people say कि you know diversity बहुत अच्छी चीज होती है but it is very hard to live in diversity because
Correct.
every next person you know is best at something you are not even well aware of. You know, you understand what I mean. I
Yeah,
mean,
correct.
हर बंदा अपने फील्ड में is
हाँ.
best, you know. So you always feel challenged or something like, you know, you
Yeah.
should do this, you can do this also, you can do this also. So
Hmm.
that's challenging. Or AC, this is the basic core principle I think behind increasing diversity within IIMs. So that you know people students learn a lot from. I mean, we have in our class we have lawyers, we have doctors, then we have chartered accountants. I mean, every sort of people.
Like also I have read about like Mr. Raghuram Rajan, who was the ex governor of RBI. He was also the faculty of IIM Ahmedabad. So he has like the nation, like IIM Ahmedabad has given a lot to the nation. If I would say precisely economically, it has given a lot, and it is one of the prestigious institute we have in India. So like आपने बोला कि it was a challenging journey of yours. एंड क्योंकि बेसिकली देखिए क्या होता है कि लाइक इफ यू हैव लाइक आपने ही बताया मुझे कि यू हैव गिवन IIT JEE एग्जामिनेशन इन विच यू हैवंट परफॉर्म अप टू द मार्क विच यू थॉट ऑफ, आई गेस. सो एंड देन यू वेंट टू द प्राइवेट कॉलेज, तो एक पहले से एक डीमोटिवेशन आ जाता है दिमाग में कि अरे यार प्रिपेयर किया नहीं हुआ, एंड फिर आपने वो कर्व जो होता है ना, लाइक एकदम वो डाउनवर्ड कर्व जाता है, फिर वहां से कर्व वापस खींचने में लाने में बहुत मेहनत लगती है. तो हाउ डिड यू पुल्ड दैट कर्व इन योर वे एंड मोल्डेड द थिंग्स इन योर वे?
That was the best part for me. So inherently मुझे पता था कि I was a failure.
ओके.
So, you know, when I joined LNCT, so I had pretty much clear idea कि you know you went for preparation, you could not crack IIT JEE. It means what? You failed. I mean, in black and white terms.
Yeah.
You necessarily not fail, but
Yeah.
yeah, in black and white terms, you failed, right? So you had to prove your worth. I mean, this was not a choice. This was an only option.
Yeah.
So करना तो मुझे था ही. So I mean, post graduation, if you cannot get a better college in graduation,
Correct.
you have an option in post graduation. I thought of it. I worked for it. I mean, this was the primary reason I would say. क्योंकि मुझे पता था कि मतलब कितना fail करूँगा.
Obviously.
Had to work.
Yeah. So like मतलब वो फेलियर जो होता है वो भी बहुत कुछ सिखा के जाता है, आई फील लाइक. और व्हाट आई बिलीव इज दैट लाइक आपके डे टू डे कुछ फेलियर्स होते हैं प्रिपरेशन के टाइम, एंड अगर आपने उन सबको ओवरकम कर लिया, आई थिंक देन यू कैन मेक इट फॉर व्हाट यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग, आई गेस.
Exactly. I mean, it gives you a lesson. I mean, it gives you self worth. Everything you are doing for your self worth, right? To increase your self worth.
Yeah.
To give something to society.
So okay, भैया like my one more question would be to you, like बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं, like you have cracked this examination in your first attempt, and basically there are people who used to take some more time, और बहुत उनको टाइम लगता है, like second third attempt they take it usually. So what do you think, क्या डिफरेंस होता है जो फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में बंदा क्रैक करके जा रहा है एंड जो सेकेंड थर्ड या फोर्थ अटेम्प्ट में उसको लग जाते हैं एंड देन ही इज गेटिंग इनटू द इंस्टीट्यूट? तो आपको क्या लगता है, व्हाट कैन बी द डिफरेंस इन द अप्रोच, इन द माइंडसेट एंड ओवरऑल?
So मेरे को लगता है कि if they're not getting in their first attempt, so it could be a variety of reasons again. Apart from, एक तो very common reason is exam anxiety.
Correct.
I mean, people are well prepared that there is exam anxiety. 2-3 घंटे का जो एग्जाम होता है. Other than that, I would say कुछ पढ़ने के styles में भी problem होता है. So मैं अपना example देता हूँ. So initially जब मैं पढ़ता था तो I used to solve same set of problems, same type of questions.
Okay.
Questions बनते तो थे, and you feel like you are studying, but at the end you're not adding value. You're just typewriter.
Yeah.
You are just a typewriter.
Correct.
I mean, there is a fixed concept, and then you are just a typewriter. So study less, but try to learn at every moment. So that's I think the difference. I mean, I can see people here. They study. If they are studying, then they are studying like hell.
Yeah.
If they're not enjoying, then they're enjoying like hell. So this is how it is.
So like एक और चीज़ थी मुझे पूछनी थी आपसे, like social media आजकल एक ऐसा टर्म हो गया है कि some people take it positively, और कुछ कहते हैं कि we don't used to use it because it has lost lot of distraction basically. तो आपको क्या लगता है कि does social media have distraction, और प्रिपरेशन के टाइम कोई भी ऐसा एग्ज़ाम है, कैट एग्जामिनेशन है, तो कैन वी wither off with all those things? क्या हमें सोशल मीडिया दूर रहना है, क्या नहीं रहना? और आपका बेसिकली क्या एक्सपीरियंस है सोशल मीडिया के साथ?
सोशल मीडिया में आई एम अवेलेबल, जब मैं अपना बताता हूँ तो आई एम अवेलेबल ऑन फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम, ट्विटर and LinkedIn. Yeah. So in terms of social media, I would say yes, definitely. I mean, that is the biggest distraction. Yeah. So I mean, पहले के टाइम पे जब वो लोग ऋषि लोग तपस्या करते थे,
Correct.
सोशल मीडिया नहीं था, तो they can sit for longest hours. उनके पास नोटिफिकेशन नहीं आता था, and you every time you get notification, and notification is all about, I mean, talking about behavioral psychology. Then if someone remembers you, it texts you or something, तो it is very natural कि अगर कोई मुझे याद कर रहा है तो I just see, it gives me a sense of purpose कि मतलब कोई याद कर रहा है.
Correct.
तो इसको resist करना is, I mean, I think close to impossible.
Hmm.
So what better can be done is fixing the time of social media.
Okay.
Fixing the time of social media. So just like I said,
Hmm.
if you're uh, operating social media, just go through it for like
Hmm.
half an hour, 1 hour, and then just close it down
Hmm.
and close that notification
Yeah.
part from
Okay.
settings
Hmm.
कि नोटिफिकेशन बार बार नहीं आना चाहिए
Hmm.
एंड देन सोशल मीडिया एंड देन इसका इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है सोशल मीडिया इज अ ब्यूटीफुल प्लेटफॉर्म from where I learned a lot.
Hmm.
I mean, rather I would not have learned. Mera dream. I dreamt a lot because of
Hmm.
social media. I can see a lot of pages, and my
Yeah.
dream
Hmm.
keeps on increasing.
Correct.
So these are all benefits of social media. I think social media has benefits. If
Hmm.
it is eating you up, then
Hmm.
probably it's not social media's mistake. It's mistake of the user.
Yeah. Correct.
To be very precise.
Hmm.
Yeah.
ओके सो लाइक आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा IIM अहमदाबाद में लाइक अभी 1 साल हो गया आपको यू टोल्ड तो आपका एक्सपीरियंस डिफाइन करेंगे थोड़ा क्या हुआ 1 साल में कैसी कैसी चीज़ें हुई सो प्लीज़
3 words. Ecstatic. पहला मतलब very
हम्म
very happy. मतलब there are moments in IIM Ahmedabad that we were very very happy, very very joyful,
हम्म
very very challenging as well.
हम्म हम्म
And then another, in terms of learning, I think it was very power packed, and I always felt that I lagged somewhere. And I have been working. So experience
ओके
was in first time bolu to matlab it was very well enough. If you take a triangle, so all sorts challenging भी था, enjoyable भी था,
या
and learning.
सो टीचर और स्टूडेंट कल्चर कैसा है IIM अहमदाबाद में व्हाट डू यू फील
Pretty decent and very nice culture. I mean, it's just not a college. It's just like
ओके
any professor you want to talk, you can just connect to them like a friend. I mean, teacher, yeah, professors, they play with students. Okay, so there are professors who play table tennis with students, squash. So
ओके
they play with students. So this is the level of bonding that you have. I mean, and these
करेक्ट
are those professors who are national award winning. Then some professors are in board of central government. Then
या
there are
या
some professors from board of GST and all. So
या
I mean, you can get a very first hand exposure. Yeah.
ओके ओके ऑसम ऑसम सो लाइक व्हाट आई फील इज दैट अगर टीचर स्टूडेंट का बॉन्ड अगर बहुत स्ट्रांग है then the student would not face much difficulties during his preparation and what I feel that tier 2 and tier 3 colleges जो होते हैं they lack this bond तो आई थिंक इस पे थोड़ा वर्क करने की ज़रूरत है अपने एजुकेशन सिस्टम को अदरवाइज
Right.
इट इज़ गुड सो लाइक सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस में जो इंटरव्यू होता भी है दैट इज़ वेरी टफ and as you told that you have cracked all top institute interviews like whether it is A, B, C. So what was your approach during your interview or before going to an interview?
Okay, so interview again, I tried to go through as many news articles, news or whatever was happening. And important point, as I mentioned earlier as well, I made a perspective in news. So then there is a news, then there is a perspective of media, and then there is a your perspective, which defines that you think through this way, and this is how you structure your thinking, and that is what defines you. So you should have a proper perspective on a news from your side as well. I used to talk. I mean, I used to watch lots of YouTube videos. I didn't had any senior, so I didn't had any
Okay.
senior, so I had no idea about how to
So can
crack
you
it. I
give
mean,
3 to 4 interview tips to the aspirant who are preparing for it?
first go through news articles, newspapers very well.
Okay.
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 Second, try to think through it, sit and think of whatever you have done till now. Okay, try to think through it and try to make stories,
Okay.
stories like what is your weakness. Okay, so you
Yeah.
should have a story कि
Yeah.
ऐसा ऐसा हुआ था, so this describes my this weakness, or it's ask for strength. To try, I am saying कि sit and brainstorm for some time and make stories, whatever you have.
Okay.
I am sure everyone have their stories, it's just that people forget them. Other thing about interviews is don't be overconfident, but being
Yeah.
confident is good. Okay.
Mm.
Being confident gives gives interviewer a sense. I mean, professors are the generally people who interview you. So
Yeah.
it gives them a sense that, even if, I mean, no one is perfect, right? And
Correct.
knowing that you are not perfect, you are putting up whatever you know in a very perfect way. That is beautiful. एंड इन्हीं इन्हीं मतलब चार पांच इम्परफेक्ट चीजों में से एक चीज परफेक्ट होगा, एंड देन यू विल बी स्टार.
हाँ. करेक्ट. सो लाइक मैं ये पूछूंगा कि लाइक आप अपनी इंटरव्यू स्टोरी शेयर करेंगे, क्या क्या क्वेश्चन पूछे गए, बिकॉज देर आर लॉट ऑफ मिथ्स अबाउट द इंटरव्यू कि बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है, नहीं हो पाता है, एंड ऑल दोस स्टफ्स. तो आपको कोई ऐसा कुछ कोई ऐसा इंसिडेंट आपको याद आ रहा हो लाइक इंटरव्यू में जो आपको बहुत अच्छा लगा हो, एंड द क्वेश्चंस कैसे कैसे क्वेश्चंस बेसिकली पुट अप होते हैं, तो कैन यू प्लीज पुट लाइट अपॉन ऑल दोस थिंग्स.
सो आई थोड़ा
या.
जनरलाइज करके मैं बता देता हूँ ताकि ब्रॉडर पर्सपेक्टिव कवर हो जाए. सो देर आर थ्री काइंड्स ऑफ ब्रॉडली इंटरव्यूज. एक इंटरव्यूज जो प्लेस नॉर्मल ग्रेजुएशन में प्लेसमेंट्स के टाइम पे होता है.
या.
They ask simple question and you answer, then they ask another question, then you answer, then it
करेक्ट.
goes on like this. Then there is an objective kind of interview. There's subjective kind of interview. So what happens is, they'll ask about you, what is your background and everything related to you, surrounding you, तुम्हारा strength क्या है, and they'll make you feel absolutely comfortable. And then there is third category of interview, that's challenging kind of interview. So what happens is, whatever you'll say, the next person will cut it. Okay. So this is what I am ka matlab
करेक्ट.
ABC ka interview goes on like this. I mean, not every point they'll cut, but they'll try to cut you out.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
mean, they'll show you that, you are speaking this thing wrong. This is how it goes.
Okay.
Now, how you are justifying it.
Okay.
This is what they ask for.
Yeah.
And inherently, that the person sitting in front of you knows more than you.
Correct.
So in despite knowing that, how you justify it. So this is a challenging interview. So let's say for example, they asked very simple question from me. They asked ki matlab comment on Indian economy.
Okay.
Okay. Very simple question. Anyone can say.
Yeah.
Something
General
like that.
perspective. Yeah.
Then you start saying about economy, then there is this thing in the answer, then there is this GDP.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then they'll go through it. What is GDP?
Okay.
Then you talk about GDP, the real GDP, then they'll say what is nominal or real GDP. Within it, and it goes on until you just give up. This is what I know. Uske baad nahi pata. Then they'll change the topic and then they'll ask and go through it again and again. So this is how it happens.
एंड कोई ऐसा इंटरव्यू का कोई ऐसा आपको कुछ याद आ रहा हो, लाइक आपने कोई ऐसा क्वेश्चन को ऐसा आपने देखा हो विच यू फेल्ट दैट कि अरे ये तो मैं आंसर ही नहीं, ऐसा मैंने सोचा ही नहीं इस बारे में कभी, लाइक ऐसा कुछ हुआ कभी?
Okay, so one professor asked कि इंटरनेट कैसे काम करता है.
ओके.
What's the role of satellite?
या. या.
So what's the role of satellite? ऐसा होता है क्या कि मतलब आपके मोबाइल से नेटवर्क जाता है सैटेलाइट पे, एंड देन सैटेलाइट से वहां से रिसीव होता है, समथिंग लाइक दैट.
आई गेस.
I mean, general perception is this.
No.
Okay. So
It is not like that, I know.
हाँ मतलब मेरे को भी ऐसा लगा था कि ये बहुत सिंपल चीज ऐसी होता है. मतलब आपके मोबाइल से सिग्नल जाता है सैटेलाइट पे,
लाइक
then
वो
it goes
फाइबर
on.
केबल्स होती हैं, सी केबल्स, सी लेंस आई गेस, उससे वो ट्रांसफर.
Yeah. उससे ट्रांसफर होता है. हाँ. तो then what is the use of those towers?
ओके.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is how it goes. So for example, let's say I'll ask you कि बताओ. So you'll say fiber cable होता है. Then I'll ask, then what is the use of tower?
Correct.
Then you'll say something about tower. Then I'll say, then why is that fiber cable even needed when you have this thing?
Okay.
Something like that.
लाइक क्वेश्चन पे क्वेश्चन बनते हैं, जो आप आंसर करोगे उस पर वो बेस्ड वो आगे जाते जाएंगे.
हाँ, थोड़ा सा वो मजे लेते हैं. But anyways, you learn.
Okay.
And you feel that I felt that I bumped my IIM Ahmedabad interview. I was like, मेरा दूसरा इंटरव्यू था that was. So I felt like गया ये हाथ से. So it was not going to happen.
Okay.
But then I got through. I got that.
ओके. सो अभिषेक भैया, लाइक जो अभी सेकेंड या थर्ड ईयर में है, और वो प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं या वो प्रिपेयर करना चाहते हैं एग्ज़ाम के लिए, सो हाउ दे शुड अप्रोच फॉर दिस एग्ज़ाम, आपकी क्या एडवाइस होगी उनके लिए?
Start sacrificing things. I mean, you cannot have it everything. So start sacrificing things. And being clear should be your first priority. It's not that no one needs, 12, 10, 12 hours of hard work. Just go through 4 hours of, if you're studying, just study. Don't watch social media or don't even attend a call. If don't even attend a call, just study for 3 4 hours a day. And for students from LNCT or people from Bhopal and all, so you have got ample amount of time. I know that you have time despite being in college. It's just a time that you're wasting because you're in college, you're studying, and then you're not studying, you're not go most of the people, they don't understand what's going on in lectures. So what happens is you have time, just utilize it and just uh, sacrifice. Yeah. When you'll start your preparation, you'll make a schedule. और ऐसा होगा. There are variety of reasons कि ऐसा होगा कि schedule नहीं follow होगा. But then again,
करेक्ट।
आज नहीं follow हुआ, you just continue it with tomorrow. This is how it should go, right?
एंड वन मोर क्वेश्चन, लाइक आपको क्या लगता है कि आपकी जर्नी में कौन से 3 पर्सनैलिटी थी या फिर 3 इन्फ्लुएंशियल लोग थे जिन्होंने आपको बहुत हेल्प किया आपकी प्रिपरेशन में?
Okay. My parents are my biggest source of inspiration.
Yes.
Whatever I do, I
Yeah.
do for them. My papa, my father, he knows everything that मतलब मैं आज क्या पढ़ा हूँ, क्या कर रहा हूँ,
Yeah,
सब कुछ बताता हूँ उनको.
yeah.
So, my father is my biggest. My father, my mother. ठीक है, उनको भी मैं सब कुछ बताता हूँ. So she knows everything कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, क्या नहीं कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है.
करेक्ट, करेक्ट।
And other than that, my friends. So जिन फ्रेंड्स के साथ मैं
Yeah.
कॉलेज कोचिंग जाता था, so they used to boost every time कि ना हो जाएगा कर लेंगे, something like that.
Yeah.
I had read Wings of Fire उस समय जब मैं
Okay.
कोचिंग स्टार्ट किया था. उस पूरे बुक में
Yeah.
एक चीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, दैट सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन. मैंने पेपर पे लिख करके सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन चिपका दिया था अपने आगे, अपने टेबल के जस्ट सामने.
Yeah.
एंड इट वाज थ्रू आउट ए ईयर, पूरे साल भर वो था सामने.
Okay.
एंड इट हेल्प मी. सो आई वुड से
Okay.
सेल्फ डिसिप्लिन फ्रॉम अब्दुल कलाम, डॉक्टर
Yeah.
एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम helped me a lot. So this helped me remain consistent. इससे पहले क्या होता था, जैसे ही एक बार टाइम टेबल खत्म हुआ, then you don't follow it. You feel like चलो अब अगले बार से बनाएंगे, कुछ नया बनाएंगे. So ऐसा नहीं किया मैंने इस बार. Sacrifice. So yes,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
mean these two, I would say prominently,
Okay.
or I learn from. I hear a lot of TED talks, and I try to gauge everything. So emotionally, I'm very. I feel that I am not very
Yeah, yeah.
weak, and I give credit. I
Okay.
would give credit to Sandeep Maheshwari ke videos. So Sandeep Maheshwari, Guru Gaur, Gopal Das. I mean, these are very famous. You might also
Yeah.
know every one of them.
Obviously, yeah.
So yeah, I kind of think like that. So, yeah.
So yeah, awesome. Like they are the people who are influencing a lot of youth, I feel. So thanks to them, thanks to their quality content. Do you think is there any myth related to CAT examination or IIM Ahmedabad?
Myth number one for CAT is it is very difficult, although it is not very easy, but it's not very, very difficult. I mean, people can crack it.
Yeah.
Crack it and get a better college. I mean, people already crack
Okay.
it, but they can get a better college as well. So it's not very, very difficult. It's just a common sense test. Another myth about IIM Ahmedabad is people here, they are very, very studious and they don't, they're very, very academic, padhaku type people. So they are padhaku, but they are like, they're not very, I mean, they're very dynamic kind of people. So if I already might have said it before, so they're great sportsmen, some are great musicians and everything. So they
Yeah.
know everything. So these are the two myths. And this is not myth, but I would like to strengthen this thing that whatever you are thinking of, IIM Ahmedabad will be +1 of
Yeah.
that. I mean, +1, +2 of that. Definitely. I mean, in terms of experience, in terms of knowledge,
बहुत सारी चीज़ों ने बात करी, सब चीज़ों के बारे में, एक पूरा जनरल पर्सपेक्टिव लिया हर एक चीज़ का। एंड एक क्वेश्चन जो मैं पूछूंगा आपसे, लाइक व्हाट डज सक्सेस मीन टू यू?
Success for me is whatever you are right now, you should be much better in upcoming future. So that's my success. In plain terms, yeah, in plain terms. Other than that, I mean, I'll have to thoda sa briefly explain it. So, in terms of success, if I'm adding value, if I am able to apply whatever I have learned to benefit people, then that is success to me.
आई थिंक वी हैव डन इट, थैंक यू भैया। आई फील दैट इंडिया के हर एक कोने में एक ना एक कुछ टैलेंट है, एंड दैट टैलेंट हैज़ नॉट बीन रिकॉग्नाइज्ड जितना उन्हें मिलना चाहिए था। बिकॉज पीपल यूज टू टॉक अबाउट बहुत हाई लेवल की बातें हैं, जो बहुत ज़्यादा जिनने अचीव करी उनके बारे में बात करते हैं, बट ऐसी स्टोरीज कुछ ऐसी जो हिडन रहती हैं बेसिकली, जो अनरिकॉग्नाइज्ड रहती हैं। एंड दैट इज़ वॉट माई अटैम्प्ट इज़ विद दिस पॉडकास्ट, वॉट आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ, कि बहुत सारी स्टोरी है, जैसे आप आए आज, एंड बिकॉज आपने, थैंक यू फॉर योर गिविंग योर टाइम, बिकॉज बहुत दिनों से हम सोच रहे थे पॉडकास्ट करने का, बट फाइनली वी डिड इट। एंड थैंक यू सो मच भैया, कि बहुत मुझे अच्छा फील हो रहा है आपसे पॉडकास्ट करके। ऐसा अब मुझे लग रहा है कि पूरे दिन ही करता रहूँ, बट देर आर टाइम कंस्ट्रेन ऑफ योर। सो थैंक यू सो मच भैया फॉर कमिंग दिस पॉडकास्ट, थैंक you for being so generous in this podcast and addressing all those questions, all those stuffs. And मैं चाहूँगा कि आप like आपका बहुत अच्छा प्लेसमेंट हो, then like lakhs or even crores, क्योंकि उसके बाद फिर मैं आऊँ, फिर
Cool.
आप
Yeah.
मेरे इस चैनल पे आएँ, एंड देन
We'll
अगेन
do
हम एक
that
और
again.
पॉडकास्ट करें फ्यूचर में।
Guys, like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, I mean, this is an initiative we need to support. Yeah. Okay, cool.